Hello, children. How are you all? I hope everything is fine. So, children, let us begin today's session with Chapter 3 Synthetic Fibers and Polymers. So, children, we wear different types of fabrics in our daily life, and fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources. So, in nature, we get two varieties of fabrics, that is artificial and natural. So in your earlier classes, that is in class 6th and 7th, you have already learned about the fibers, that is natural fibers. And the two types of natural fibers that we get from nature are the plant fiber, that is cotton, and animal fibers are wool and silk from cocoons. So this you have learnt in your earlier classes, and these fibers, they are called as natural fibers because they are available in nature. So children, now let us continue the session with synthetic fibers. So what do you mean by synthetic fiber? First of all, what is a fiber? So here fiber is a raw material from which fabrics can be made. So the fabrics which we are wearing today, the clothes which we are wearing, they are all the fabrics made by the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers means nothing but here man-made fibers or artificial fibers which we won't get it naturally. They are prepared by human beings either in factories or industries. Hence, the fibers, they are called as synthetic fibers because they are made by human beings. Then, I would like to give an example for you. So here, there is a loop and I join another loop to this. Again, I will join a loop. In the same way, I will continue to join the loop. So as I go on join the loop, you can see a formation of chain there. Is it? Here, the small units, as I am joining, they are forming a chain. So this chain of small units are joined together and they are called as the polymers. Okay, they are called as the polymers. So polymer means here, poly means many. The word poly means here many, and mer means unit. Unit means here the single part, single unit. Okay. So why I am discussing about this polymers? Yes, because this synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together. Because synthetic fibers are prepared by man, and hence how they are preparing it? Yes, by joining small units. They make a chain and we get the polymers. So here the chain like structure you can see now. In the same way, the synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together, and each unit is actually a chemical substance, and many such chemical units combine to form large single unit, and it is called as polymer. Okay, so poly means here many and mer means unit or a part of it, and single here, single loop, it is called as monomer because it is mono means single, and as you are going on joining the loops, they are increasing, so we call it as poly. Poly means many. Then the example for polymers, and polymers, they also occur in nature. For example, the best example is cotton. Okay, cotton is a polymer, and this cotton is a polymer and it is called as cellulose because this cellulose is made up of large number of glucose units. Okay, as I have shown the picture here now. So here this cellulose is also made up of large number of glucose units. and hence it is also a polymer which is present in nature. Then next, coming to types of synthetic fibers. So there are many varieties of synthetic fibers prepared by human being using different types, using machines in industries, in factories. These fibers are prepared. So now let us study the first type of fiber, that is rayon. So here, how do we get this rayon? Yes, we get this rayon by chemical treatment of wood pulp, and it resembles like silk. So in the picture you can see here, no, this is similar to silk fabric, but it is not silk, just it will resemble like silk. As silk we get from the nature, okay, from cocoons, and it is costlier, whereas the rayon, it is prepared by man and the cost is less when compared to the silk fabric. So the silk fabric is costlier because we get it naturally, whereas the man-made fibers are cheaper than the natural fibers. Okay, and this rayon, it is also called as artificial silk. And rayon is mixed with cotton. Even it is mixed with cotton. Cotton is also a natural fiber. So rayon is mixed with natural fiber. So artificial fibers are mixed with natural fibers also to make different variety of things like bed sheets, and it is mixed with wool to make carpets. So you can see here rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets, and when rayon is mixed with wool, so the carpets can be made here. Okay, so these are the examples of rayon. So where all the rayon is used. So it resembles the silk, okay, and it is mixed with cotton to make bed sheet and mixed with wool to make carpet. This is one of the example. Then moving to the another example, that is nylon. So you might have heard these things, this rayon, nylon, whenever your mother goes to shop to purchase cloths. Okay, the shopkeeper, he will explain in detail, this is nylon fabric, and this is rayon fabric, this is silk, this is wool. So in that way, so you might have heard about the different fabrics. So how they are prepared, now you will be learning here. Okay, so the next example, that is the nylon. So nylon is also a synthetic fiber. Synthetic means already you know, that is man-made fiber, or you can call it as artificial fiber. Okay, so in 1931 it was made without using any natural raw material from plant or animal. It was prepared from coal, water and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. So this nylon, it was the first fully synthetic fiber, and it was prepared from coal, water and air. So natural fiber was not used in this. Okay, and the fiber, this nylon fiber is very strong, and it has the property of elastic, and it is very light also. It is very lustrous. Lustrous means shine. So this cloth has a shine in it, and it is also easy to wash. Then this nylon is also used to make socks. Okay, it is used to make socks, rope, and then tent and curtains, then also toothbrush, then car seat belts and parachutes and rope climbing. And this nylon thread is actually stronger than the steel wire. Okay, so when we compare a steel wire and a nylon wire will be very stronger than the steel wire. So children, these are the things which are prepared by the nylon. Okay, so now you have learned the two types of synthetic fibers, that is rayon and nylon. Okay children, so in the next class we will continue the chapter. So thanks for watching the video.